Welcome to the Ultimate Dropbox Tutorial for Beginners, 2025 edition. Whether you're completely new to Dropbox or just need a quick refresher on its latest features, this video will walk you through everything you need to know to master Dropbox, from creating an account to advanced sharing and syncing. Let's dive in. Dropbox is a powerful cloud storage and file sharing platform that lets you store files securely online, access files from anywhere, web, desktop, mobile, share large files easily with just a link, collaborate and organize with others in real time. Perfect for backing up documents, sharing videos, collaborating on projects, and managing important files, all in one place. Sign up for Dropbox at dropbox.com, link in the description. Choose a free or paid plan, depending on your storage needs. Paid plans offer more storage, team sharing, and additional security features. Log into your account to access the main dashboard. Once inside, you'll see Home, your starting dashboard for quick access. Files and folders, navigate and organize your files easily. Shared, see files and folders others have shared with you. Recents and starred, quick access to important files. Tip: think of Dropbox like a digital filing cabinet, making it simple to keep files organized. Drag and drop files directly into Dropbox. Create folders for better organization, e.g., work, personal, photos, videos. Move files easily between folders with simple drag and drop. Preview files directly in Dropbox, including videos, images, and docs. The real power of Dropbox lies in sharing. Click Share on any file or folder to add collaborators for shared editing. Generate a shareable link, view or download access. Control permissions, allow view-only or editing access. Comment directly on files for real-time collaboration. Pro tip: share entire folders to give collaborators access to everything inside, no need to send multiple links. Right-click any files folder for options. Download to your computer. Delete unwanted files. Rename for better organization. Bulk actions, select multiple files at once to delete, download, or share. Search bar at the top to quickly find any file by name or keyword. Use nested folders to keep everything tidy, create folders within folders. Example: Work Clients Projector. Rename folders, files anytime to maintain clarity. Tip: set up folders like a filing cabinet, categories for documents, taxes, photos, work, and personal files. Want to use Dropbox like a regular folder on your computer? Download and install the Dropbox desktop app, link in description. Sign in and sync Dropbox to your computer. Select which folders to sync, mirror Dropbox online onto your PC or Mac. Access and manage files directly from your desktop, just like any other folder. Bonus: add Dropbox mobile app to access files on the go and automatically back up phone photos. Sync: keep selected Dropbox files available on your computer, access even offline. Backup: automatically back up specific folders from your computer to Dropbox, e.g., desktop, documents. Two-way process. Sync pulls files from Dropbox to computer. Backup pushes files from computer to Dropbox. Inside Dropbox settings, you can check storage used and available. Choose which folders to sync. Set whether files are available offline or online only. Change sync location on your computer. Tip: use online only for large files to save local storage space. Name folders clearly for easy navigation. Use nested folders to categorize files. Regularly review and delete old files. Use starred files to mark important items. Leverage Dropbox Paper, built-in docs for notes and collaboration. Install the Dropbox mobile app for iOS and Android. Instantly access and share files on the go. Backup photos and videos automatically from your phone. Dropbox is one of the easiest, most powerful tools for managing, sharing, and backing up your files. Whether you're a student, creative professional, or just organizing personal docs, Dropbox makes it simple and secure. If you found this helpful, give it a like, share it with friends, and subscribe for more tutorials. Comment below if you have questions or need help setting up Dropbox. I'm here to help. See you.